I'm Paul Tapier at SEMA 2017 for Auto Parts Warehouse. And if Vegas didn't need lighting up any more than it already is, Aries and my friend here, Isaac, will tell us how you can do that for your vehicle.
Well, the Aries line had lots of lighting solutions as far as where to mount lights. What we didn't offer was any lights that went on them. So this last year we introduced six part numbers of lights that are top quality LED. It's first run quality Cree chips, which are US made chips, lifetime warranty on the lights. They're IP68 and 69 rated, so we're not a full lighting manufacturer, but we offer a top quality light that's made specifically to mount on our products.
Right, so if you've got a bumper or a grill guard or a headache and you need lighting, you've got it.
If you're looking for a package, we have packages on lots of our products. We have Jeep bumpers with integrated lights. We have light brackets, like 50-inch like windshield light brackets, and hood light brackets for JKs and TJs that come with the lights already, so you don't have to make that decision. One company, one warranty, and we're here to back what we make.
And we have some examples on the floor?
Absolutely. We have a couple of Jeep products here. We have a grill guard on a Dodge Ram down the way a little bit that has the integrated 30-inch single row light on our Pro Series grill guard. Okay. So I mean, it's a category that we're excited about, and we wanted to be able to stand behind what we make.
All right. Well, Aries is here to light up the night with you and make your ride look spectacular.
I love the nightlife.
Yeah. We like to boogie on the radio. Okay, never mind. I'm Paul Tapier. Isaac and I will be in the lounge later on at the Westgate.